Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most exciting tools on Vir AI. Tools that let you create portraits, animate images, and bring your ideas to life. Whether you want to generate a professional headshot, an anime-style avatar, this video will show you exactly how to do that. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite character style or portrait idea. Let's get started. First up, let's explore the AI9 Portrait tool. Go to the homepage of Vir and click on AI9 Portrait. This tool lets you turn any picture, real or fictional, into a beautiful anime-style portrait. Let's upload our source image at first. Now it's time to select the style. Here you will get many styles like Disney, Pixar, DC Comics, and more. Also background prompt, expression prompt, clothes prompts, and more details option. I am choosing DC Comics. Also here you will get gender option. I am selecting female for my generation. Now paste your prompt here. For background, I am using this prompt. A street lit by glowing lanterns during a soft snowfall at night, peaceful and quiet atmosphere. For expression, I am using this prompt. Calm and thoughtful, slight smile, eyes gently glowing with curiosity. For clothing, I am using this prompt. Traditional Japanese winter kimono with floral embroidery, fur collar, warm color palette. And in the more details, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed anime style, soft depth of field, studio quality shading, and color. Now choose quality model and go with 16:9 ratio for a great look. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. And here's our final result. The first thing I noticed is how beautifully the AI translated everything into pixel art. The snowy lantern-lit background gives off this cozy, nostalgic game vibe. The kimono details are simplified but still recognizable, and the soft smile adds so much personality. I love how the glow in her eyes is preserved even in such a low-resolution style. That's not easy to pull off with pixel art. Overall, this is a fantastic outcome. It looks like a scene from a retro JRPG or an indie game character intro. If you're into game design or just love pixel aesthetic, this style is a must-try. You can easily turn your photo or concept into something totally unique and retro-inspired. Next, let's check out one of the most impressive tools Vir AI offers, the AI Headshot Generator. This tool is designed to create professional, studio-quality headshots in seconds, whether it's for social media, work, resumes, or personal branding. Let's go ahead and click on AI Headshot from the homepage. So first, I'm uploading a clear front-facing portrait photo of a man. Make sure your face is visible and well-lit for accurate results. Next, we'll fill out the prompts with exactly what we want the AI to generate. Here's what I'm using for this demo. Background: soft neutral studio backdrop with a smooth gradient, something clean and distraction-free. Expression: calm and professional with a slight friendly smile, eyes facing the camera. Clothing: black formal blazer over a plain white shirt, simple and sharp. More details: high-definition output, soft lighting, clean facial detail, realistic shadows, mid-frame composition. Now comes an important part, selecting the style. I'm choosing the studio photography style because it gives that polished, professional look you usually get from a real photo shoot. Let's keep the aspect ratio at 1:1. Great for profile pictures. All set. Now I'll click Generate and wait a few seconds. And here's our result. Wow, this looks like it was taken in a real studio. The lighting is soft and flattering, the expression feels genuine, and the suit detail is crisp. The shadows are clean, and it really nails the balance between realism and enhancement. What I like most here is that the style, studio photography, actually feels authentic. It's not over-filtered or overly stylized, just clean, natural, and professional. You could use this headshot on LinkedIn or Upwork, company profile or press kit, YouTube or Telegram profile photo, digital portfolios or online resumes. And if you're not into the formal style, you can try switching to urban trend, natural light, or even minimalist, depending on what suits your personality or project. Let me know in the comments which style you want me to test next. Alright, now let's have some fun with one of my favorite tools on Veer, the AI Pet Portrait Generator. This tool lets you turn your furry friend into a royal, hilarious, or fantasy-style character portrait, and it's way more fun than it should be. Let's click on A Pet Portrait from the homepage. Once the page opens, you'll see a few important things. First, this tool requires an uploaded image of your pet, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm uploading a clear picture of a dog, face forward, well lit. For the style, I'll choose Victorian. It pairs perfectly with the theme of elegance and old-world charm. Now we get to customize the prompts. Here's what I'm going to use. Pet Portrait's Character Prompt. A noble Victorian gentleman with a calm expression, wearing a royal cravat and gold-trimmed coat. Pet Portrait's Background Prompt. An old English parlor with velvet curtains, vintage furniture, and oil-painted textures. Pet Portrait's More Details Prompt. Warm tones, ultra-detailed fur texture, soft studio lighting, oil painting effect. Let's set the aspect ratio to 1:1, which works well for prints or profile images. All set. Now I'll click Generate. And just look at that! Our pup has been transformed into a full-fledged 1800s aristocrat, complete with a gold-buttoned coat and that proud, sophisticated look. The background fits beautifully too. The velvet chairs, the antique glow. It all looks like a hand-painted royal portrait. What I really love about this tool is how well it merges your pet's real features with the style you choose. The expression remains true to the original photo, but the outfit and atmosphere make it feel like it belongs in a museum. You could use this for a framed portrait in your living room, custom pet merchandise like mugs or tote bags, funny social media posts, or even a gift for a pet lover. And if Victorian isn't your thing, you can try styles like astronaut, samurai, fashion, or even birthday. Each one creates something totally different and creative. Let me know in the comments if you want me to try a pirate or wizard version next. And that wraps up this episode of our Veer AI series. Here's a quick recap of what we covered today. AI Portrait for custom, creative anime avatars. AI Headshot for polished and professional profile pictures. AI Pet Portrait for charming and hilarious furry transformations. Each of these tools is super easy to use, 100% free, and doesn't require any sign-up, which makes Veer perfect for both casual creators and content pros. Let me know in the comments, which tool did you enjoy the most in this video? Don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, we're exploring Veer's background editing tools, including background remover, blur effects, and more creative tweaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.